Assalamu alaikum. My good students, today's topic is facts and opinions. That's the topic of critical reading. Most of the questions I received, and after receiving the questions, I decided to have a video to make it clear that my students should understand the difference between facts and opinions. Okay, so what can I say? That fact and opinion are really different in the sense that fact is something that is true and opinion is only a belief. Okay, fact is supported by evidence, and opinion has no backing of any evidence. Okay, so I can say that a person who makes a factual statement knows that his opinion comes from fact, whereas a person who just makes some opinion does not have any fact to substantiate. While facts are true statements, opinions are not. Opinion is only a subjective statement, and fact is objective reality. Opinion can only be an emotional outburst of an individual or merely an interpretation. But on the other side, facts can be proved to be true, that an opinion can be either true or not. Opinion cannot be proved to be true. Fact is not some perception, but opinion is just a perception of the thoughts. Okay, the fact is what all believe to be true, while the opinion is believed to be true, maybe by those who state it. The fact is what exists, and opinion is just only an opinion and nothing else. People only endorse facts as they are true. Okay, although people may have different opinions on any subjects, they can be either endorsed or disregarded. Opinion is only a choice, while fact is the worthy. Even if people think that their opinion is true and worthy, it might not be regarded by others who have different opinion on their own. I can say, meanwhile, everyone agrees when someone tells a fact. Okay, but when I am reading Webster's dictionary, uh, I found that the fact is anything that is done or happened, anything actually existent, any statement, okay, strictly truth, true, or reality. But on the other side, the Webster dictionary says that opinion is something that indicates a belief, view, sentiment, or conception. That's the difference the dictionary is telling between facts and opinion. Opinion is only just a thought or speculation and can lead to controversies. It may tend to dispel the truth, whereas a fact is only truth and truth itself. Facts are strong statements, and opinions can be biased statements. Facts always stay back in history, whereas opinions are only views that may not get into history. When people say a fact, they can easily influence others, but an opinion may not have the force to make an influence. People sometimes find it hard to make a distinction between a fact and opinion. Okay, the right understanding of the difference between fact and opinion is needed to evaluate things and to make judgments. That's something which I have stated to you. But really, you can see I have prepared a PowerPoint slide for you. that you should be able to understand it more comprehensively. So I'm sharing the slide now. If you can see, okay, I'm sharing the slide now. Just give me 1 second, and I can uh, share. I can share my screen so that you should be able to understand. Okay, I think you have seen my screen. If you are seeing my screen, so this is a slide that is about distinguishing between facts and opinion. Okay, so uh, what are the differences? That's one of the opinion. An opinion is a statement that cannot be proved or checked. An opinion, it tells that what someone thinks, feels, or believes. Okay, an opinion are the clue words for opinion statements are what are these? Think, feel, believe, seem, always, never, all, none, most, least, best, greatest, and worst. Then an opinion cannot be presently verified, okay? Relies on connotative language. An opinion can mean different things to different people. An opinion uses value judgment words. An opinion uses comparisons such as best, most, etc. But on the other hand, the facts are statements that can be checked or proved. We can check facts by conducting some sorts of experiment, observation, or by verifying, checking the fact with a source document. Facts might include specific information about a person, place, or thing. Facts often contain numbers, dates, or ages. And further, facts can be proven true or false through objective evidence, relies on denotative language. Okay, facts are frequently used as measurable or verifiable numbers, statistics, dates, and measurements. Okay, some hints I have deciding if a statement is fact or opinion. Recognize a fact, read each answer choice, and ask yourself, can this statement be proved? Which of these is fact? We live in the best apartment of the city. That's your personal opinion. Maybe we live in a bad, some not best apartment. I believe that somebody is the best. It is your belief, your opinion. I think that spaghetti is a delicious meal. It's your thing, but maybe some other people don't think. The Oskipy Kepsi journal is a newspaper. Well, that's a fact because some journals are newspapers. Hints, okay, these are the hints that are deciding if a statement is fact or opinion. Recognize an opinion, read each answer choice, and ask yourself, does this statement tell what someone thinks, feels, or believes? Look in the answer choice for clue word that signals an opinion. I have some here, for example, opinion examples. Which of the following is not an opinion statement? I think that Colorado is the best statement in which to live. That's your opinion. Chocolate cake is the most delicious kind of dessert. Yeah, everybody likes it. It's a fact. Nearly 65% of teens are overweight. Okay, it's a fact and opinion both. More, we cannot say perfectly. That Stuart Taylor is the greatest singer ever. Okay, that's a fact. Stuart Taylor is very famous. So you can go further. You can see when you are writing. Remember, facts are often used to support opinions. Good opinions are based on facts, but they are still opinions. Okay. Now we can do some practice. You have this one practice for facts and opinion. Practice facts or opinion or both. Sometimes the statements are both facts and opinion. Sometimes they are only opinion, sometimes they are only facts. Number one, I have a husband and 2 children. It's fact. Pit bulls are the most dangerous dogs alive. This is your opinion. Somebody has pit bull, but they do not attack. Ostriches do not hide their head in the sand. That's a fact. There is nothing like an ice cold bottle of the Coke to satisfy your thirst. That's your personal opinion. Other cannot think. It's time for educators to assume more responsibility for schools' unhealthy lunch menus. That can be in your opinion. The government should increase spending for preventing unwanted pregnancy. More than 1 million teenagers become pregnant every year in the United States. It can be an opinion or it can be a fact according to reports. Both. Rob said that the book Angels and Demons is better than the Da Vinci Code. That's a fact. Da Vinci Code is a perfect book, but really, what can I say? I'm not a Christian. Okay, but that's really because they know better about it. But that's a fact. Da Vinci Code is a fact. Number eight, New York City is not the capital of the New York State. Okay, so that's an opinion. Okay. So I have given the answer. Maybe I'm wrong somewhere else. You can correct by yourself. But anyhow, I'm stopping this, sharing this screen. But on the other hand, I'm 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 able to ask you. I'm sharing another handout. You can see the handout. Okay. So we have. I can share the screen again so that you may be able to see the handout. Okay. So we can see uh, the handout, if you can see here. This handout from a college. Okay, I can make it the bigger one so you should be able to understand. Okay, this from Learning Resource Center. Knowing the difference between facts and opinion. A fact is a statement that can be proven true or false. An opinion is an expression of a person's feeling that cannot be proven. Opinion can be based on facts or emotions, and sometimes they are meant to deliberately mislead others. Therefore, it's important to be aware of the author's purpose and choice of language. Sometimes the author lets the facts speak for themselves. The following is an example of a fact. What is the example? With fewer cars on the road, there would be less air pollution and traffic noise. Therefore, the use of mass transportation should be encouraged. Sometimes the author may use descriptive language to appeal to your emotions and sway your thinking. For example, do you like looking at smoggy view from a congested highway? How do you feel about fighting road hugs and bumper to bumper traffic every day? Mass transportation is the solution to all these problems. Emotional language is neither right nor wrong, but the way in which it is used can be positive or negative. It is up to you to make a reasonable judgment about the material you are reading and draw to your own conclusion. Therefore, when you read, it is important to judge facts and opinions carefully in order to come to the right conclusion. Ask yourself, are the facts reliable? Or ask the opinions based on the facts. Once you answer these questions, you may be on the right track for finding and sticking to a fact. You be the judge. Okay, that's Manhattan College has written. So I think you might have understood uh, difference between facts and opinions for critical reading. I hope so. It can help you. And thank you very much. Wait for the next video for reading. Thank you very much. Bye bye.